Already trusted for our expert care of couture garments, Sudsies Dry Cleaners provides advanced techniques and exceptional treatment to preserve the luxurious feel and vibrant colors of silk, cashmere, and wool. Our artisans handle each piece with meticulous care and precision, ensuring your favorite silk scarf, cashmere sweater, or wool jacket returns like new and ready to wear. Proper care is non-negotiable. While cashmere and wool contain proteins that maintain softness and durability, traditional dry cleaning methods can damage these vital elements. At Sudsies, our specialists prioritize preserving these natural enzymes and proteins, keeping garments in pristine condition. When it comes to silk, our approach is equally meticulous. We recognize that silk's natural enzymes and proteins are essential for maintaining its integrity and luxurious feel. Our process begins with a pre-treatment assessment to identify the type of silk and any specific stains. For protein-based stains like sweat, we use enzymatic cleaners that gently break down the proteins without harming the silk fibers. This ensures that the fabric's natural enzymes and proteins are preserved. Next, we employ solvent-based cleaning methods, using only eco-friendly alternatives to avoid weakening, shrinking, or fading the silk. Temperature control is crucial, and we conduct the cleaning process at carefully regulated temperatures to prevent heat damage. After cleaning, we use low-heat drying methods or air dry the garment to preserve its integrity and shape. Finally, the garment is carefully pressed and finished, maintaining its natural sheen and structure. For wool and cashmere, we follow a similarly detailed process. Our artisans hand wash with cool water and a gentle detergent or specialized shampoo. If machine washing is requested, we use a mesh washing bag and the delicate cycle with cool water. After washing, the garment is air dried to maintain its softness and shape. At Sudsies, our commitment to preserving the natural beauty and longevity of your garments is unmatched. Visit us today and experience Sudsies Dry Cleaners,